We've all heard the well-meaning advice, follow your heart. But what if this romantic notion is actually setting us up for heartbreak? The truth is, emotions make terrible compasses for life's difficult decisions. Tears can deceive, and silence can mislead, yet we keep falling into the trap of believing that visible emotion equals truth. Consider how often we've mistaken someone's tears for innocence or interpreted another's quiet demeanor as victimhood. We've all been there, making choices based on emotional displays rather than facts, only to later discover we were manipulated or misled. The hard lesson: emotional reactions prove nothing except intensity of feeling. Someone can cry genuine tears while lying through their teeth, just as a calm person might be hiding deep pain. Life operates more like a courtroom than a therapy session. In court, decisions require evidence, not just emotional appeals. Yet in our personal lives, we routinely play judge and jury based solely on who cries hardest or speaks most passionately. This emotional justice system fails us repeatedly. The heart has no scales. It tips wildly with every sob story and dramatic plea. Without reason to balance our compassion, we become easy targets for emotional manipulation. This isn't to say emotions have no value. They're the color in life's painting, but they make terrible brushes for creating it. True wisdom comes from marrying feeling with fact, passion with principle. Love with eyes wide open means seeing people's actions beyond their words. Compassion with reason requires helping without enabling. The healthiest relationships, whether romantic, familial, or professional, balance emotional connection with mutual accountability. Our cultural obsession with emotional authenticity has created a dangerous blind spot. We've forgotten that narcissists cry too, that abusers can appear charming, and that the loudest victim narrative isn't always the truest. The real world rewards discernment more than pure emotional response. Those who succeed in life and love learn to question their initial emotional reactions rather than be ruled by them. So how do we navigate this emotional minefield? Start by creating space between feeling and action. When faced with emotional decisions, implement a 24-hour rule before responding. Look for patterns in behavior rather than isolated emotional moments. Most importantly, stop equating emotional displays with moral righteousness. Sometimes the person crying is the manipulator, and the one keeping calm is the true wounded party. The healthiest approach combines heart and mind, feeling deeply while thinking critically. This balanced perspective protects us from emotional predators while allowing genuine connections to flourish. Remember, tears water many gardens, but not all of them grow truth. True wisdom knows the difference. Be prosperous and share happiness.